Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Logitech G Hub that is not launching or not working. So first, we have to open our task manager and then end the task that is related to our Logitech G Hub. And then after that, just go to services and then find this one. Now go to properties and then stop. And after that, just right click and then refresh. It should be fix your problem. If not, the only option right here is to uninstall your Logitech G Hub. To do that, just simply search for uninstall and then click this add or remove program. And then just search for Logitech G Hub. Now let's uninstall this one. And let's wait for it. Now after done uninstalling, just simply install the older version of Logitech G Hub, and then that should be solve your problem. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.